Hi, my name is Emily Kauk, and my presentation is about Humboldt squid, which is a unique bioluminescent mollusk. And as you can see in the picture here, this is in the deep, dark parts of the ocean in the Pacific, and the mollusk, the Humboldt squid, is glowing. So for the phylum and classification, the Humboldt squid is a cephalopod that is scientifically known as a Dosidicus ibis. This cephalopod is in the phylum Mollusca because it contains these characteristics. The squid is a soft-bodied invertebrate. It also has a head, foot, and body region. It is characterized as a cephalopod because it has no shell. So for the basics of the Humboldt squid, so it lives in the Pacific Ocean. It only lives for 1 year. So during this year span of their life, this squid reproduces multiple times using internal fertilization. And they can lay up to 20 million eggs, which is insane. Often called the jumbo squid because of its size. So many divers have seen this squid and they can actually be attacked by it. So they were really, I'm sure they're very scared whenever they see a Humboldt squid because of its huge size. Its mantle can reach at least 4 feet in length, and the tentacles are just a couple feet long. It can reach weights over 110 pounds. So for the defense mechanisms, Humboldt squids are excellent swimmers. They use their color-changing cells to communicate with other squid. So in the ocean, they can change colors and tell and warn other squid that there are prey or food in an area. They're also covered in specialized color cells that allow them to rapidly change colors. They can use these cells, as I just talked about, to display warning colorization to other species. They also use their color-changing abilities for camouflage. So as you can see, the squid down there is a pink color, which they could use that color for a warning colorization. So for form and function, the Humboldt squid is a torpedo shape because it allows them to swim at high rates of speed. They can swim up to 24 kilometers per hour, which directly correlates to 15 miles per hour, as we would think of it. These cephalopods also have one pair of flap-like locomotory appendages on the mantle that helps the squid to steer and stabilize themselves. So on the model below, it looks exactly like the squid that we dissected in lab. You can see on the mantle area that the fins, that there are 2 fins and they are a pair. And you can tell that they can be used to steer. So jet propulsion is actually one of the cooler ways that these Humboldt squid and other squids as well, they use to escape prey. So to travel by jet propulsion, the squid will use its muscular mantle cavity and fill it with water and then quickly expel that water out of the siphon. So they, in the model below, you can see that they fill that muscular mantle cavity with the water and that the siphon is located below that in the head area, and they actually push that out of the siphon and propel the squid forward. And here are my sources that I cited throughout the PowerPoint. Thank you for listening.